My lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel Modish Style. First of all, thanks all of you to visiting my channel, and I hope so you will be fine. I humble request all of you, if you are new in here, then please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, because I need your love and also need your support. So please supporting me. Now let's see what for have today. Actually today I will share with you all type of bodycons, like office wear bodycon, party wear bodycons, club parties, and many more ideas in one video. So this video is very special, so watch full video and enjoy it. Now start my video. So firstly I will explain you what is bodycon. Bodycon is the term of short body oceans fashion. It is a style of clothing that is designed to hug the body natural shape. It often made of stretchy from fitting material such as jerseys, spandex, which allow the clothing to mold to the body and show off the wearer figures. So, bodycon clothing is a typical worn by women, and popular bodycon style include dresses, skirts, and leggings. And bodycon dresses is one of the most popular item of the style. They are tight fitting dresses that are designed to show off the wearer's figure. They often features a scope, scare, or sweetheart neckline and a hemline that falls at above the knee. They can be made from a variety of materials, including cotton, polyesters, and silk, and come in a range of color and styles. Many styles and with a beautiful print. So this style of clothing can be worn for a variety of occasions, from casual to formal, and can be dressed up or down depending on the event. However, due to its tight fitting nature, bodycon dress may not be suitable for everyone. Also, wearing it may require a certain level of confidence. So this is a bodycon. Now I will explain you embroidery bodycon dresses. An embroidery bodycon dress is a type of dress that is made from a stretchy from fitting materials, features intricate embroidery designs on the surface. These dresses are designed to hug the body and show off the wearer's figures, making them a popular choice for special occasions or as a fashion statement. So, embroidery bodycon dresses can be made from a variety of material, including also same cotton, polyester, or silk, and can come in a range of color and many styles. They can be paired with heels, boots, or sandals depending on the occasion, and can be dressed up or down with the right accessories like simple necklace and high heel shoes with the beautiful clutch, and many more ideas in this embroidered bodycons. Now I will explain you what is party wear bodycon, which type of party wear bodycon is suitable. Party wear bodycon dresses is a type of dress that is made from also stretchy from fitting materials and suitable for wearing to parties or other special events. So, bodycon dresses are designed to hug the body and show off wearer's figure, making them popular choice for occasions where you want to make a fashion statement. So, party wear bodycon dress can be made from a variety of materials, including also cotton, polyester, and silk, and can come in a range of colors and many styles. They can be paired with heel, boot, or sandals, depending on the occasions, and can be dressed up or down right accessories. Some popular style of party wears bodycon dresses include sequin dresses, lace dresses, and dresses with cutouts are the special detail, and also dye bodycon printed, most popular printed bodycon with beautiful colors in black or white or red or blue, and many more ideas. Now I will explain you which type of bodycon wear in club parties. Now I will tell you about that. Bodycon dress are popular choice for club parties as they are from fitting as show off the wearer figures. They can be made from variety of materials, cotton, polyester, silk, and stretchy fabrics. Can come in a range of colors and styles. So main types is mini dresses. Mini dresses are short dresses that end above the knee. They are popular choice for club parties and they are fitting and flirty and allow for freedom to movement of the dance floor. Next is sequin dresses. Sequin dresses are covered in shiny reflective sequins and are a popular choice for club parties. They can be short or long and are often paired with heels or boots. So next point is lace dresses. Lace dresses are made from intricate decorative lace and can be more specialized option for club attires. They can be short or long, no problem, and are often paired with heel or boot also. Next is cutout dresses. Cutout dresses feature cutout or opening in the strategic location and are more revealing option for club attire. They can be short or long and are often paired with heel or bolts, no problem. It's important to mindful of the dress code of a specific club you will be attending the to dress opportunity. Wearing cloth that are too casual or revealing my result is being turned away at the door. So next choice is printed bodycon. I will tell you about that. Bodycon dress is type of dress that is designed to hug the body. You also know that about that. Closely showing off the wearer natural curve. Printed bodycon dress is a dress that features a pattern or design printed on the material. These dresses can be made from a variety of material including cotton, polyester and spandex and can be found in a range of color and beautiful prints. They are often worn as party dresses are a fashion statement and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. Actually, more common color is black, which is suitable for any colors like orange, yellow, and blue. Also, especially yellow and white color with a beautiful combination of black bodycon dresses. Printed bodycon is also added dot printed bodycon, flower printed bodycon, and beautiful self print bodycon. Now I will explain you dot printed bodycon. A dot printed bodycon dress is a type of close fitting dress that is made from stretchy material and feature a print of small evenly spaced dot. Bodycon dress are designed to hug the body, highlighting the wearer curves, and dot print can add a fun and playful touch to the garment. Do you have any other question about dot printed bodycon dress or fashion in general? Then you comment me and I will explain you what is your questions, and I also explain you about bodycon dresses and many ideas. Now flower printed bodycon. A flower printed bodycon dress is a type of close fitting dress that is made from stretchy materials and features a print of flowers. Bodycon dresses are designed to hug the body, highlighting the wearer curves, and flower print can add a feminine and romantic touch of the garments. Flower print can be small and subtle or large and bold depending on the design of the dress. Most beautiful and gorgeous bodycon with black and red printed. Black and red printed bodycon dress is a from fitting dress that typical features a black base color with a red printed design. The term bodycon is short for body conscious, which means the dress is designed to showcase and the wearer's figure. The dress is usually made of stretchy fabric such as polyester, spandex, or nylon, and can be worn for a variety of occasions. So, printed bodycon dress is from fitting dress, which means the dress is designed to showcase and wearer figures. The dress is usually made of stretchy fabric And printed bodycon can vary widely from the abstract pattern to specific images or graphic and can be in any color or combination of colors. Bodycon dress is a form-fitting garment that hug the body and your curves, and a printed bodycon dress adds an extra element of style with a unique pattern or design. There are a wide variety of printed bodycon dresses available, from bold graphic print to more subtle print patterns. You can choose a dress with a bold colorful print for a statement piece, or OPT for a more subtle print for a more much more understated look. Printed bodycon dresses can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. For a casual look, you can pair a printed bodycon dress with the sneakers or sandals and denim jackets for more formal occasions. And you can dress up the look with heels, statement jewelries, and clutches. When it comes to styling a print bodycon dresses, it's important to consider the color and pattern of the dresses. If the dress has a bold, colorful print, you may want to keep your accessories and shoes more natural to avoid clashing. On the other hand, if the dress has a more subtle print, you can have a fun with the bolder accessories and shoes to add some pop of look. Overall, printed bodycon dresses are stylish and versatile garments that can add some fun and flair to your wardrobe. Whether you are heading out for a night on the town or attending a formal events, a print bodycon dress is a chic and trendy choice. It is also known as two-tone bodycon, like one print is another and one is another. Bodycon dress is a type of dress that is typical made of stretchy fabric, and it's designed to fit the body. So bodycon dresses are known from fitting and can be designed in variety of style, from strapless or long sleeved or without sleeves. The color black is classic and versatile color that can be worn in any occasion. It can be dressed up with heels and statement jewelry for a formal event, or dressed down with flats and minimal jewelry for a more casual look. Black bodycon dresses can be also paired with different colors and textures to create a unique look. They are perfect for a night out party or even business meeting. The most beautiful, stylish, and unique designs of button bodycons for workplace or office work or professional ladies. So, when choosing a bodycon dress for office wear, it is important to consider the dress code and culture of your workplace. It's general. It is best to choose a dress that is made from a professional looking fabric such as wool, cotton, or blend, and to select a dress in a natural or solid color. Avoiding too tight, too short, or too revealing style is also a good idea. It's also important to consider the length of dress. Knee length or below it is a good option to look professional. And a button bodycons dress can be good option as it adds a touch of elegance and while still maintaining a fitted. Furthermore, pairing it with a blazer, cardigans, or jacket can also add more professionalism to the outfit. Actually, button bodycons are dresses are variations of the traditional bodycon dresses that features button running down the front of the dress. This design adds and professional touch of the dress and can be worn in the office setting or workplace. The button can be functional or decorative and can be used to adjust the level of coverage or to add interest to the dress. And it's a great way to add a touch of elegance to the dress while still maintaining the sleek and fitted of a bodycon dresses. So Bodycon dress is a type of dress that is designed to fit closely to the body, typical made from stretchy fabric. It is a popular style for office wear because it can be dressed up or down and suitable for both casual and formal occasions. So the key of wearing a bodycon dress is an office setting is to ensure that it is appropriate for the work environment and to accessories it in a professional manner. So I think this is a very impressive and unique dress for workplace or professional ladies. They can be paired with a heel, boots, or a sandal depending on the occasion and can be dressed up or down with the right accessories. Some popular style of party wear bodycon dress include sequin dresses, lace dresses, and dresses with the cutouts of the special detail. So these are also known as two-tone bodycon, like one print is another and one is another. So I explained many types in other videos. Now thanks all of you. If you new in here, then please subscribe my channel, and I hope so this video is helpful for you and you take best ideas for improve your personality. Now enjoy my video. Take care.